Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just doing a quick Zoom meeting makeup tutorial. It's going to be simple, professional, and something that you can put together really quick, so it's nothing crazy with shadow or anything like that. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to prime my face first. Putting on my rice powder. So for foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me, and this color is in Cappuccino. It's a bit dark for me, but it's all right. We can make it work. It's a little dark. I like this foundation. The only thing I don't like is that there's no pump. So because it's a Zoom meeting, we need everything to look professional. So this is just the Maybelline Age Rewind in Caramel. Gonna go back in with the same foundation brush. Just to help with the transition from the highlight to the foundation. Don't really think I'm gonna contour today, well, at least not liquid contour. So this is for all my oily people. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte poreless powder. And I put this on before I highlight, or before I put the setting powder. You know, you don't want to look too glammy. It's Zoom, it's a business call, so you just want to make sure you look decent. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna powder contour with the Ruby Kisses mineral powder, and this one's in honey brown. So while that's baking, I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrows, fix that up. I'm using MAC's eyeshadow in Espresso. All right, so we're going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Fawn. I was looking for my other shade, but we're going to use Fawn for right now. Just going to brush this out real quick. All right, I'm satisfied. Add some powder. All right, so we're looking for our natural. Again, this is Zoom. Okay, this is a Zoom makeup, a Zoom business call, so you need it to look natural. So I'm going to go in with this little palette that I have here. And this shade is in Saddle. And I think it's MAC. I think this one is MAC. If it look like it's not showing, it's fine. This is a natural Zoom meeting makeup tutorial. So we're not trying to impress anybody. We're just trying to look decent. Yeah, we're at home, but I'm sure if you were in the office, you know, you'll be looking your best. So what, your best work-wise. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my Micro Smooth All Over powder from Sephora. This is in Mahogany. And I'm just gonna sweep away all the setting powder. All right, so scratch that. I'm not doing lashes anymore because my lashes are a bit too much for a Zoom professional call, so we're just gonna let it run like this and fix the rest of our face. So let's add some color into the cheeks and put some blush on. So I like MAC's Blunt blush, so I'm gonna try that. I'm not gonna try it, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go in with Revolution's lip liner. This is the Satin Kiss liner, and I love this. This is my favorite lip liner now, so get you one. Then I'm gonna go in with MAC's Taupe. So it's a Zoom call, our makeup is finished, but I need to change my shirt. No one changed their pants, but we're gonna change our shirts. Let me go put on a business shirt and I'll be right back. There you have it, my kings and queens. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial for a Zoom call. Very quick, very simple, very easy. I will see you in another video.